Ever drool over a car like it was a diamond ring? Have you ever looked at a car and thought, dang, that's a work of art? Not just sleek design, but the kind of craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech that makes your jaw hit the floor. Well, that's exactly what Tesla has achieved with some of their car models. But with so many Teslas out there, which one holds the crown for the most expensive? That's the question we're diving deep into today. Now, before we jump in, it's important to remember that Tesla prides itself on pushing boundaries. Their prices can fluctuate depending on options, customizations, and even surprise tweaks from Elon Musk himself. So, buckle up, because this might get a little surprising. The Roadster, a blast from the past, or the future? Let's start with a head-turner, the Tesla Roadster. Remember that sleek, spaceship-looking concept car they unveiled in 2017? The one promising eye-watering acceleration and a trip to Mars, well, maybe not Mars. That's the Roadster. While initial estimates placed it around $200,000, recent whispers suggest a base price closer to $250,000. And that's just the starting point. With Tesla's history of offering wild customization options, we wouldn't be surprised to see Roadsters pushing the $300,000 mark once they hit the road, or rather, launchpad. Here's the kicker, the Roadster isn't even in production yet. Tesla keeps pushing back the release date, so for now, it's a luxurious, high-speed dream on wheels. The Model S Plaid, performance with a panache. But who needs future promises when you can have present-day mind-blowers? Enter the Model S Plaid. This luxury sedan isn't just about comfort and elegance, it's about raw, unadulterated power. We're talking a tri-motor electric engine churning out over 1,100 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time that would make a Bugatti blush, allegedly, under 2.1 seconds. The Plaid starts at a cool $135,990, but that price tag can balloon quickly. Tesla offers a whole buffet of options, from the yoke steering wheel, which has divided opinions more than a pineapple on pizza, to a premium interior that would make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Fully loaded, a Model S Plaid could easily crest the $200 zero mark. Model X Plaid, the family hauler, for the 1%. If you're looking for something a little more spacious, but still packing a punch, then the Model X Plaid might be your $1 million, well, almost, minivan. This falcon-winged wonder combines practicality with neck-snapping performance, offering seating for up to 7 and enough cargo space to rival a small U-Haul. Starting at $140,990, the Model X Plaid isn't exactly cheap. But again, with all the bells and whistles, you're looking at a price tag that could easily eclipse the $200,000 mark. Though, let's be honest, if you're considering a Plaid Model X, dropping an extra 50 grand probably isn't a deal breaker. So, what's the most expensive Tesla? Alright, the suspense is killing you, we know. As of today, with the Roadster still a future fantasy, the crown for the most expensive Tesla goes to, drumroll please, a tie between the Model S Plaid and the Model X Plaid. Both can easily reach the $200,000 mark depending on how you option them out. But wait, there's more. Here's the thing, Tesla is constantly innovating. By the time this video goes live, there could be a new contender for the top spot. Maybe a tricked-out Cybertruck with a solid diamond roof, we wouldn't put it past Elon. So, keep your eyes peeled and your wallets ready, because the future of crazy expensive Teslas is only getting brighter, or maybe flashier with all those chrome options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.